Hello everyone, welcome back to Tricky Math. Today let us learn about basic geometrical ideas. In our daily life we see so many things around us. We see trees, we see buildings, we see so many objects, instruments, appliances, so many things. In all these we find some specific shapes. In our day-to-day life we come across so many shapes. Now let us learn more about these shapes. Before we learn about the different geometrical shapes, first we need to learn about a point. Point is nothing but small dot. If you wanted to locate a place on the paper, first take a paper, put a fine dot on the paper. It is an exact location. It represents exact location of any object. Point is denoted by capital letters. Point A, point B, point C, like this. A point has no dimensions. Dimensions means no length, breadth, height. Actually here a point has no dimensions, means it has no length, no breadth, no thickness. Now let us learn about line segment. Already we have learned about points. Here I am taking 2 points, A and B. Point A, point B. Now I am trying to connect these 2 points by some lines. Yes, here I have drawn 3 different lines. But what is the difference between among these 3 lines? The distance is the difference. This is the distance. The distance is the difference. Middle one among these 3, middle one, this one is the least possible distance between A and B. The shortest distance between 2 points is called a line segment. It is the line segment. The shortest distance between 2 points is called line segment. The line segment AB is denoted by AB bar or BA bar. AB bar or BA bar. Now properties. Here see, it is a line segment na? How many endpoints it has? Here 1, 2. A line segment has 2 endpoints. Here we can measure the length of this line segment by using ruler. Okay na? A line segment has a definite length which can be measured. Third one, a line segment has only one dimension only. It has only one dimension, that is the length only. Okay na? It has no breadth, no height. It has only length only. A line segment has only one dimension. Now let us learn about line. As we learn a line segment, see here I am taking 2 points. Now I am joining these 2 points. It is a line segment. We know already. If you extend a line segment in both the directions, in right side, left side, a line is obtained by extending a line segment indefinitely in both the directions is called a line. If you extend a line segment in both directions, we get a line. Here this arrow mark shows this, it is extending right side, it is extending left side endlessly. It means we cannot measure, it is going on. How much you can draw? I can draw this line till the end of this paper only. Okay na? So we cannot draw a line on the paper, so we cannot measure the length of a line. It has no end points. A line has no end points. A line doesn't have a definite length. It has indefinite length. We cannot measure na. Yes, a line AB is denoted by like this, AB. Also denoted by small letters such as small l, m, n, like that. Now let us learn about array. These are points A and B. If you join these 2 points, you will get a line segment. If you extend a line segment in one direction, we'll get a ray. It is a ray. A ray AB is denoted by like this. Now properties. See children, here it has only one end point only. A ray has only one end point. It doesn't have definite length because of, and right side it is going on na? It is extending endlessly in one direction, so we cannot measure the length of a ray. It doesn't have a definite length. See here, one point. I am taking one point A. Along with through this point, how many lines we can draw? Let us see how many lines we can draw through one point, through a given point. How many lines we can draw? See children, now I am drawing one line through A, one more line, 3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines, 6 lines, 7 lines, like this. We can draw so many lines. We can draw infinite number of lines from a given point. We can draw infinite number of lines from a given point. Now let us see how many lines we can draw through 2 points A, B. Yes, how many lines we can draw here? Only one line only, single line. We can draw only a single line from 2 points. Okay na? In next class we will learn about curves. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.